again, it's Jason Carlson. Feeling lucky today. I've got another challenge locking device. This one is by the lock-picking Lebowski, Yale Punisher. There's no date or number on this, but it is absolutely a Yale, and it's got some fair bidding on it. And let's see what it takes to get into this beastie. And I'm hopeful. You know what? Let's use a different tensioner on this one. We go with the Mad Bobs. And we're going to hit it a little bit at a time. I can tell there's a tremendous amount of serrations, modifications to it. Get in there. I know that this one takes a little bit more patience and a little less tension. Whoa. Tiny bit of movement. Yeah, this one may be a lot longer than I planned. Hope all is well with everybody out there in the land of the lock pickers. I have been so busy doing everything else in life than picking a lock. I have absolutely missed the fun and the relaxation that I get from digging in and picking my way through a lock. A little bit at a time. That tensioner's trying to come out. Oh, you're not. I know this has got excuse me, threads in the core because the cap on top has been removed and it's being held in place with a sucker stick and some tape. Okay. Get some little more movement. Come on, baby. Hands are cramping up. Just tap it from the back to the front. I hope. I have opened this lock about twice before. And it's not that easy. This is the only lock that I've ever encountered by the lock-picking Lebowski. And I enjoy it if I can get the freaking thing open. I just dropped everything. Yeah, you know what? Reset. Try it again. Let's go in with a Peterson gem. I got lucky earlier today and was able to pick open excuse me, the Den brass lock, and this one comes along, and I think I used up all my luck, which is not uncommon for me. do like Yales. There we go. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. It's just ticking it away. There we go. Sorry for such a long picking event. Had to switch some things around a bit. Okay, let's get this out of here. Right. And let's get it down here. We are obviously open. And that's going to be one of those. So, yeah, I'm going to close it up. And then grab my tool. Let's see if it fits. That one doesn't want to work. There we go. And spring. Oh, decided to go way over there. Okay, and we've got a key. Follower. I'm going to use a shim. Nice. Okay. And here we go. Yep. All 6 populated. Looks like all are threaded, as I thought. And number 1 looks like it's got a reduced top on it. 2 and 6 fell out. Oh, you know what? They've all got little serrations in the top and a reduced top. And we've got a spool happening on number 3. 4 has a little reduced top, and 5 and 6 have a little serration. The core is threaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 backwards. Way to go, Jason. Cold medication's kicking in. Happy times, man. You know, first day of summer, and I get a cold. That's just grand. Oh well. At least I'm spending the day picking a lock. And number 1 is unmodified, meaning that there's no changes to it. And I bounced that around, but everything stayed in the same place. I will absolutely get these close-ups. 2 is a factory spool. Come on, baby. 3 is a factory serrated with a steel spring. Get over there. Copper springs in 1 and 2. 3 is steel. 4 is a factory T-pin. And a little bit bigger spring. I'm going to go from the back to get the other 2. 6 is a very long factory serrated. And a little bitty spring. And number 5 is a factory spool with a really sharp edge on it. Come on, baby. There we go. And a steel spring. Let's take a look inside. You know what? I'm not seeing any modifications to the Bible at all. Huh. That's weird. So no mods to the Bible. And mods to the core. Alright, I'm going to get these up and get some pictures on. So we shall give you some close-ups. This is The lockpicking Lebowski Yale Punisher. Thanks a lot for getting that out there in the world. I can't remember where I got it from, so I'm sorry for that. Hope everybody's having a great one. Remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.
Go through the lock.